This is a print of the River Otter designed by MatMire Makes. I printed this at 70% of its original size, and it took me 9.5 hours to print on my Ender 3 version 2. Printed it on a raft. Typically, when I print Matt's prints, the toes don't give enough adhesion, so I just went ahead and printed on a raft, see how it works. Looks like he's got a little bit of built-in raft support for the head, but with this particular model, it's one model, everything is connected. A lot of his other models, the head is separate. Now we'll see if we need to do an X-Acto knife to get different parts off. Got everything off but the head. There we go. Head's off. You can see some of the remnants of, he built in a support. To support the head. I'll need to clean that up just a little bit. But here's the support. He's got a video out where if you move this just right, it'll click in and then the head will stay up. I'm not sure how that has to work right now, coming straight off the print. Just paw out a little bit. Guess I need to get the little arms moving. There we go. Oops. Oh, I had the head stuck up at one point. So there we have the River Otter. Took 9.5 hours to print. I did it in green PLA.